Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APM Guide. As a part of our APM Advanced Concept series, in this video we'll see how to run arbitrary ADB commands via APM. Okay, and we have method called executeScript. By using the method executeScript, we are running the command mobile:cell with a set of arguments. Okay, so by using this command we can able to run the ADB cell commands through APM at runtime. Okay, now we will see what exactly the mobile:cell command. Okay, see mobile:cell command. Okay, by using this command we can execute the given cell command on the device under test via ADB connection. Means we can able to run the ADB cell commands. Okay, it may be emulator or real-time device or cloud device. Okay, by using this command. And second thing is, this is very important. This is regarding the security. Okay, this extension exposes a potential security risk and thus only enabled when explicitly activated by the ADB cell server command line future specifier. Means what it says, automatically, see, when we run the APM server, right, we use just APM or APM server command line. Okay, but when you want to use this mobile:cell command, okay, we need to activate explicitly the ADB cell command. Okay, when you are starting the APM server itself, we need to activate this ADB cell. Okay, we'll see it how we need to activate the APM server with this feature. Okay, that is very important here. Okay, now coming back to arguments. So arguments for this command we are using, first argument is a command. Okay, and the type should be string. So we have to provide the argument command and the value should be in string, and this is a mandatory field. Okay, and here is saying as cell command name to execute. So whatever the command we need to execute, we have to provide here. Okay, and here is given an example here. Okay, arguments. So when you are executing the ADB cell command, right, we need to provide the set of arguments. Okay, so this is the argument. Okay, this is the key we had to use as argument, and we had to provide the values here, and it is not a mandatory field, it is optional field. Okay, and description is saying arrays of command arguments. Okay, and this is one timeout argument. Okay, what is timeout argument? And the type should be number. Okay, and this is a optional field, and the command timeout is in milliseconds. If the command blocks for longer than this timeout, then an exception is going to be thrown. Okay, so what happened when you are running a command, right? It waits for the these many milliseconds. Okay, in the time it not execute that command, it will throw a exception. Okay, and the default timeout is 20,000 milliseconds. So you can change this default time also. Okay, and next argument is the include SDR error, and it's a boolean type and is a non-required argument. Okay, and the description is whether to include SDR error stream into the returned result, and default is a false. Okay, and so this is the command and the argument details. Okay, now we will see the how we need to start the APM server to get this, use this ADB cell. Okay, explicitly we need to start the APM server by using this one. Okay, so yes, now the APM server setup. Okay, we need to start the APM server with the flag is relaxed security. So whenever we want to use this feature, we need to start the APM server with this flag called relaxed security. Okay, and what is relaxed security here? What is the flag called relaxed security? See, when you use relaxed security, it will turn all the insecure features. Okay, we have insecure features, set of insecure features. Already I have made a video on this one. I'll place this card on the video. There you can see what is the Appium server security features. Okay, and coming back to our, so we need to start the Appium server by using this flag. Okay, relax security feature, relaxed security. Okay, relax security, we have to use this flag. Okay, it will turn off all insecure features. Okay, and second, you can use this relax security flag, or we can use this other flag called Appium space allow insecure, and we need to provide the ADB underscore cell. So if you use relax security flag, it will turn all insecure feature. It is not advisable because we are using the ADB cell. So better to use this flag allow insecure and provide the value. Means we are not enabling all the insecure feature, we are enabling only the ADB cell feature. This is the best one. So in our video we see both, how to run this both. Okay, and what's a example how we have to use it, driver.executeScript method we have to use, and we have to provide the command mobile:cell, and we have to provide the arg list of arguments here. Okay, and the same thing here, the command is a string, the command to be run under the ADB cell. Okay, whatever the command we need to run under the ADB cell, we need to provide the command here and the arguments. So we can give the set of arguments, or we can give the arrays of arguments or map of arguments. Okay, we'll see. Okay, and these arguments to be passed to the cell command. Okay, so this is the theory. Now we'll go for the coding part. So we'll open the Eclipse. So what I did, already I have created a class called arbitrary ADB command demo. Okay, I have added just a setup and teardown methods. Okay, in setup I have used the capabilities, that is a platform name Android, automation name UI Automator 2, device name Pixel 8 Pro. That is my name of my emulator. Okay, now we need to write the code. So before that one, what are the scenarios we are going to cover in this video? Okay, so the first scenario we'll cover is need to execute all 3 ADB cell commands. So to demonstrate this functionality, I am going to execute these 3 commands, ADB cell commands. Okay, and these are related to this functionality. So by using this ADB cell commands, I can able to control this animation scale. Okay, this thing all 3 I will execute it. Okay, and while executing these commands, I will follow 3 different styles to provide the arguments data. This is extra. I will show you how we can able to, how differently we can provide the values here for the arguments. Okay, and the second scenario will cover to retrieve the result of the ADB call. See, sometimes in this case I am just executing the ADB cell command to change the features of this, some features of this emulator. But some commands, when I run this ADB cell commands, I'll get the output. So how to get this output? Okay, by using this scenario, we'll see how we can able to retrieve the output and save it. Okay, in our variable. And here also we'll follow 2 different styles to retrieve the result. Okay, and the example I am running is simple one, that is a ADB cell dumps this window displays and m current focus, and this is a famous ADB cell commands, because by using this command we can able to retrieve the app package and app activity details of the opened application. Okay, so now we'll start the writing the code here. So we go to Eclipse, the first one, the first scenario. So I say scenario 1. Okay, now this out also I will give it, I just give scenario 1. Okay, yeah, the first scenario, first we need to write the code here. Okay, so what is the example? You see, it shows the example is we had to use driver.executeScript. Okay, and we had to give this one. So come back here, just say, go back to Eclipse and say driver.executeScript. Okay, execute script, and we are using the this one. Okay, and now now we have to give the key here, that is the mobile colon cell. This is command name. The key is a command name. So if you go here, you can see the command name is mobile colon cell. So I had to give this way, mobile colon cell I need to provide here. Okay, and this is has a key. This command we need to pass as a key here. Okay, and then we need to provide the arguments. Okay, the first style will give it as immutable map of okay, then I had to provide the key and value pair. Okay, okay. Then the first we need to provide the arguments is command and argument. This command and the arguments. So we come back here. The first key we had to give the command. Okay, we have given the key and value we need to provide. The value is the first thing I need to execute this one, this ADB command. Okay, so go back to Eclipse, and this is the command here, and this is the value. 2 is the value here. Okay, so this is the command and the argument. I had to use the key called args. Okay, and the value I need to provide. So I have to say as I'll give as 0 here. I'll show what exactly this is. Okay, so before running this one, okay, I'll show what exactly this command talks about. Okay, so when you open this emulator, okay, see, we can able to control by using these commands. We can able to control the window animation. Okay, so we have 3 type of animations here: window animation, transition animation, animator duration scale. We can able to use this command. We can able to control here. You can see here the default value is animation scale. Okay, that is 1x here. Okay, we can change it here. So I say 1.5. You can change it here. Okay, like that. Instead of changing manually and clicking manually, I clicking like this. I want to run the ADB cell command to change this one. Okay, I'll show you how we can do. So copy this ADB cell command and open the emulator and open the command prompt. So I'm running manually it is. So this thing I need to do it from the code. So I'm running this command here. So now currently the value is 1x. Okay, I'm changing to 2x here. So I run it here. So I run this one. So now it is going 1x, right? Just go and refresh it. Go back to previous screen and come back to developer person. To run this one, to run this course, the developer option should be enabled. So just go to the particular scale. You can see the value should be changed to 1x to 2x. Okay, so previously it was 1x. Now it is changed to 2x. So this command we have run through the ADB cell. Okay, but this ADB cell command I need to run from the Appium. Okay, at runtime. Okay, so coming back to Eclipse. So I stored it manually here. So now I want to make this scale to 0. Okay, and come back. So as I told, we write this style in 3 styles. Okay, this is the first style. What I have given, the command and immutable map are given. Okay, now what I will do, driver dot the second style. Okay, execute script. Just I am showing how we can able to run this thing. That's it. Okay, what is the command? Mobile colon cell. This is a command. Here what I will do, I will give the value here. Okay, let's remove this one, delete it, and what I say, the second command, the second command, I'll just copy these commands here. I'll paste it in our script itself as a comment. Okay, this command I need to execute, so I give the same name. Just I give the name here, but we need to provide the value. Okay, this is the one, but I need to provide the value for this one. So what I will do here, I use map string. The command is string and the arguments I give as a object. Okay, and then I name this map, so this name, and I'll provide these values. See these values, that is the immutable map of so you can provide like this also. So first one is the, just a minute. Okay, so the first key is command. Okay, and the value I need to provide. Okay, the just value is this one for the transit animation scale. This value I need to remove. Okay, command I given, the arguments I need to give. The key for arguments is args. Okay, and the value is 0 I need to provide. Okay, so 0. Okay, the second style we have seen here means I'm just passing here. So I had to import the map. Okay, so I'm just passing the value here. Okay, so why it is giving this error? Okay, only one is needed. Yeah. Okay, so previously what I have given immutable map of directly in the our code, but here I'm creating a map interface, a variable, and just passing this one. Okay, the second one. Okay, the second one, what I'll do, I'll create a hash map. So hash map. Okay, and the key is the string and value is the, okay, I use this one as object. Okay, here I'll provide this name. Okay, in the same time what I will do, I say driver dot execute script. Then I had to provide mobile cell. This is the command, and I will pass this value here. Okay, I'm passing this value, and then I need to continue with the our hash map creation. So I say okay, and then let's remove this one. Okay, I had to use this one. Okay, sorry, this is new. Okay, I forgot new word here. Okay, so hash map created, I created, and I need to pass the value. Okay, so for this one I need to pass the value by using the put command, put method. Put, what is the key? Key here, it is a command. And the value I need to pass. So value is, this is the one. Okay. So here I need to provide, I need to remove this ADB cell, no need of ADB cell, I forgot. Okay, ADB cell I need to remove here also, no need of, because already we are selling the ADB cell, right? No need of ADB cell here. So same thing, I forgot this one. Okay, because already we are using the ADB cell, this is not needed. So only this command I had to give. This is a command. Okay, this is a command, and this is a value. Okay, so we have given the command window animation scale and the command transition animation scale, and arguments also given. The same thing here, I am giving this value here. Okay, now I want to add the other one, animator duration scale dot put. Okay, and key I had to give args. Okay, and this is a 0. That's it. Okay, you see here the first trial what I did, I am putting the command and arguments in the directory execute script only. Here I created a map interface and I'm passing the values. Here what I created a hash map and this value I passing here. Okay, so I want to show that we can add like this also. Okay, so what exactly why I given this 0 here. Okay, I'll come back to see to emulator. So what happened in animator, window animator, transit animator, see it is 2x, right? We want off the animation. Animation off is a 0. 0 means animation off. Okay. So once again restoring to 1 here. Okay. Now we are running this command by using Appium. We are updating the animation scales. Okay, for all these 3 options we are making this animation off. Okay, this is the code for results. Okay, so just I go through here. So it say mobile cell. Okay, this is a command, and I have running this command here by using this is the one ADB cell. Okay, this is this one. Okay, mobile cell means ADB cell. Okay, and this is a command. So this is a command. So this is command I passed here. Okay, for Windows animation, and the value is this. It is 2, right? Okay, I'm just passing to a 0 here. This sample one 0 here means animation off. Okay, I'll update here also. Don't be confused. So animation off, we are doing it. So our code is ready. Just check it. Yes, I'm giving properly. Animation scale. Window animation. This is the animator's duration scale. Okay, so now our code is ready. The first scenario code is ready. Now I want to run on this emulator and add. Okay, now what I will do, so to run this one we need to do the setup. Appium server setup we need to do. Okay, we need to write a Appium server setup. So what we need to do here is just open the Appium server. Just open the command prompt. So open the, say I am running the and this one. If I say Appium, okay, and see now I'm starting Appium without any relaxed security because it will fail. I want to show that one also. So I'm running the Appium server without any flags. Okay, but if you want to run this Appium ADB cell, I need to add the flag called relaxed security. Okay, so now I'll run this one. My Appium server is running. Now I'll run this command. It will fail. See, I'm running this code without any adding the relaxed flag security. It definitely fail. Because if you want to run the ADB cell, we need to add the flag. See what it says. Go to console. It says unknown server side error. Okay, potential. See, you can see potential insecure future ADB cell has not been enabled. Got it? Okay, if you run the Appium server default, this is the error will get it. Potential insecure future ADB underscore cell has not been enabled. Now I want to enable this one. So go back this one and I want to close this session. And now what I will do, Appium, and I need to add a flag, that is a relax security. Okay, so we'll copy this one. So I copy this code. Okay, now go back to our Eclipse and run this code. No, go back to our command prompt. So this is a command, yes. So I had to use Appium space double hyphen relax security. So as I told, if you use this flag, I am will turn all insecure future. Okay, now I'm running the Appium server with the flag relax security. It says, now it says, you can see here, relax security enabled true. Okay, now I run the code here. Okay, now our script will run once again. So all these three options should be enabled. It should be changed to 0, means animation scale should be off. So successfully run. And now see, now we cannot able to see here 1x, right? Just go back to previous way to get a refresh. Come back to developer options and scroll to the options here. You can see the animation should off. See, animation off, animation off, animation off. Okay, so one more time we'll run it, but we'll add the second scenario also. Okay, the second scenario. What is second scenario? Okay, the second scenario. The second scenario, we need to retrieve the value. Okay, that is the our second scenario. So here also we follow two styles here. Okay, here the second scenario is I want to retrieve the value by running this command. Okay, so I'll just copy this command here. So what is this command? Okay, so what here instead of that one, I will just open other one, API demos app. Okay, so this command already we used to use very well, because we want to get the app package name, activity. We used to run this command. Okay, go back to here and then run this command. Okay, just a minute, you had to use like this, ADB cell. Okay, then we need to run this one, dump sys. First you have to enter the ADB cell, then you see what happened. Just a minute. So what I will do, I will run the command prompt once again. So I say ADB cell, so we'll type it here. Okay, instead of copy paste here. So it is the dump sys window displays pipe grep hyphen e and single quotations I give m current focus. So this is a command. So current focus. So open the emulator and keep it. I will run this command. What happened? Why it is not running? Just a minute. Why it is not coming here? Just a minute. We'll open once again. Open this one. Command prompt. ADB cell. Yes, this is how we used to run. Oh, we are in emulator. Emulator 64. Okay. Our focus is went to emulator, right? I'll just check it out. Okay, so I'll run ADB cell. Why it is passing the emulator here? Okay, see, I run this one. Okay, some issue. Okay, see, when I run this dump sys window display command, okay, I am getting the package name, and this is the package name. Okay, this is the activity name, okay, of API demos. Okay, so this command I run manually here. Okay, but I want run this command and fetch this output, okay, by using the Appium script at runtime. Okay, so we need to write the code for that one. That is our second scenario. Okay, the same thing we need to follow here. Okay, the The first style I will show you here, that is the driver dot execute, same method we had to execute script. The key we had to give the mobile colon cell, and here I need to provide the immutable map of this, provide the key and value here. So dot of the command I need to pass. Command, the first key is command, okay, and the value I need to pass. And the second argument is args, okay, and I need to pass the value here, okay. So in this case, so just go here and copy this one, come back to our Eclipse. This is the code we are running, right? So this is the command. Till here it is the command, okay. So just copy this one and place it here, okay. So dumps is window display pipe grep space -e, and this is the argument, okay. Just copy with single quotation. We have to give single quotation also, okay, and here give the comma, okay. And I have given the command, that is a dumps is window display pipe grep space -e. This is the command. The argument I have provided this current focus in single quotation, okay. I have to give single quotation here also. This is, we are retrieving some value here, okay. So we have to pass this in one variable, okay, and this will be given in the object type. So I have to use object, and I am passing this value, right? I say output 1. I give it the variable set output 1, okay, and then I will print this output 1, sys out, because I am reading the value here. I just give output 1. I just say output 1 value, okay, output 1 value, and just I pass this variable here, output 1, yeah. So here I am just an output 1, and it is object type, so I have to use toString method, okay. Object type toString method I am using here, okay. So here you are passing this, we are running this command, and we are passing this thing to the variable, and we are printing this one, okay. This is one style. The other style, what I will do, the same command, okay, the same command I am using here, okay, and instead of output 2, I will use output 2 here, and I remove this method, okay. And what I will say, I will make this a string, it written as string, okay, but I need to convert this value into the string here, so I had to use string here. So casting with string, okay, that's it. So we said two styles, right? That's it. See here what I did, here I fetching the, means I am retrieving the output and saving in the variable called object, okay, object, and I am using the output 1 and toString here. And here what I am doing here, I am fetching this value and converting into string and saving in a string variable, okay. That is the difference here, that's it, nothing else, okay. So what I will do in the second scenario, okay, after completing second scenario, what I had to do, I had to open this one, right? I say driver dot activate. So I am using the activate method here to open this API demos. I had to give the package name. So go back here, the package name. This is the package name I need to pass here. So regarding this, we already discussed about how we had to pass this one, okay. So what I will say, I'll use dead.sleep so that we can discuss this thing and you can see the effect also. I pass somewhere. So I say 3 seconds is enough. And after this one, I need to wait. Once the app will open, I wait for the one more. Just give the 5 seconds. Okay, and here we will write the what exactly this is. Okay. Okay. To change the, just say to change window animation value to 0. Okay, the same thing. Just I want to print it. Okay, nothing else. This is to print it. Okay, so just give it to here. Okay, and the same thing here. Here what I am doing here, we are working with the transformation animation scale. Okay, here's a window and this is one. Same thing. This I am giving this comment and printing the what exactly where exactly our script is, and we are doing what exactly the our script is performing here. That's it. Okay, so we are changing the value to 0 here. Okay, and same thing. So before that one, what we'll do, we'll open the settings. Okay, and make it to 1. Okay, we'll change the value to 1. So I'm giving different values here so that you can see. Okay, 1x, 1x, 1.5x. Okay, and now what we are doing, so here we are retrieving the value. Okay, here we are retrieving the value here. Just directly give this one, just give the comment here. So both are same here. Okay, so no need of this one. Okay, leave it. Okay, yeah, so the first scenario, we are making this value, the animation scale values to 0. Okay, and the second scenario, we are running this command. Okay, that is a dumpsys window display, and we are the fetching the output. Okay, and we are fetching the output, and we are using 2 different styles here. One is object, one is string. Okay, so this is one. Now we run the command script here. Okay, this is 1x, 1x, 1.5x, right? Now I'll run it this one. So the 2 scenarios has to run. Yes, it has changed here, but I will refresh it. Okay, so it has to get this package name and activity name for this one. Yeah, the first one. See, the second scenario. See, output. See, we got the output. Okay, so what are the output we have seen in our command prompt? Okay, the command prompt, just compare these values here. Though the command prompt value displayed, right, the same thing, we got the package name and activity name of this API demos here, also same thing. Okay, so second scenario is running. The first scenario we have to refresh, right? So we go here and just see here. So it should be 0. See, animation off, animation off, animation off. So this is how we can able to run the ADB cell commands by using Appium. Okay, one more thing we forgot actually. So we have used relax security, but I had to use this command. Okay, I'll show that one also. Okay, just come back here. Just so it is animation off, right? So what I will do, I'll go back here and just say 10x we use. Just give 10x here because I want to run with the which one, right? So 10x I given, right? So go to our Appium server. So in Appium server previously we have run with the relaxed security. Now I want to run with this option. What is the option? Next second option is allow insecure, okay, this flag, and I have to give this value here. Okay, so come back to our, we run the, just copy this one. Okay, so previously we have run this relax security, but I want to enable only one insecure feature, that is the ADB cell. So go back here, so here, okay, and provide here, just remove this extra hyphen. Okay, now I am running the Appium server with this flag. So my Appium server is running, and it says allow insecure. See, allow insecure. Okay, and it is the ADB cell. Now we have to run the script. So go back here and ADB Eclipse. Open the Eclipse. Open this one. See, from 10x now it is 10x. It should be 0, and we have to get this value also. Okay, so run once again. But now we have changed the Appium server with the other flag. We have run this Appium server. Okay, it says change the window animation 0, and we are fetching this value here. Okay, now so we got this app package and app activity details, and now we'll go to the this one and we'll see it should be animation 0. See, animation off, animation off, animation off. Animation off is means 0 here. 0 is animation off. Okay, so this is how we can able to run this ADB cell command. Okay, by using the Appium. Okay, and we need to do the settings here. That is the first setting. We have to run the Appium server by using these two flags. Any one flag we need to use. Okay, and we have to use this command here. That is the, so we have to use the key mobile : cell, and we can able to pass the arguments in these styles. Okay, the first style we have see like this, and we have to get a map here, hash map. Okay, and you can able to retrieve, you can able to run the ADB cell command, and you can retrieve the value here. So one is in object type, and it is string type. Okay, and I'll push this code in the GitHub, and this same article also will be available in the Medium. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.